In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter hotels by specific amenities on the TripAdvisor app. So open up TripAdvisor on your phone, search for hotels in your desired location. So I'm going to type in Budapest and I'm going to tap on hotels. And then if I scroll all the way to more filters, as you can see, there is an option for amenities, but I'm going to show you more filters. And then we can see amenities here. And then all we have to do is check the boxes next to the specific amenities you want. So such as pool, free Wi-Fi, so on and so on. Pets allowed, English, hairdryer, and then just hit apply. And that will narrow down your specific hotels that you're looking for with specific amenities. And that is basically it.